Hey everyone, welcome to another Howtech video tutorial. In this video we'll be showing you how to insert Excel tables in Gmail with borders. Inserting Excel tables into emails allows you to easily send them to others. If you want to insert Excel tables with borders into Gmail, we'll show you how to do it. Let's use this Excel table. Select your table and use all borders if you wish. This used to be difficult years ago, but now it's as easy as copying the table and pasting it into the email. If you notice that your table is not copied properly, you may need to go to drive.google.com. Click New, Google Sheets. Copy and paste the table here first. You'll notice that our colors have disappeared. Click Format, Alternating Colors, and choose your colors. Copy the table here and paste it in Gmail. If your table looks fine straight from Excel, there's no need to go through the extra steps. What other things do you want to embed into your emails? Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.